Welcome to the Serengeti, a vast and untamed wilderness in the heart of Africa. Today we embark on a journey to meet some of the most iconic animals that call this extraordinary ecosystem home. Get ready to witness the raw beauty and unparalleled splendor of the Serengeti, a place where life persists in all its wonder. In the golden light of dawn, the silhouette of a giraffe against the rising sun is an awe-inspiring sight. These majestic creatures, the tallest land animals on Earth, are a testament to the power of evolution. Their long necks allow them to reach high into the acacia trees, their primary source of food. Observe how they delicately pluck leaves with their long, prehensile tongues, specially adapted to avoid the sharp thorns. Giraffes are social animals, often found in loose herds with females and their young grazing together. A powerful kick from their long legs can deter even the most determined predator. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the savanna, we leave these magnificent creatures to their peaceful browsing. Across the vast plains of the Serengeti, a sea of black and white stripes shimmers in the heat. These are the zebras, masters of disguise. Their bold patterns a dazzling spectacle. The stripes may help to confuse predators, making it difficult to single out an individual zebra from the herd. Zebras are highly social animals living in herds that can number in the hundreds or even thousands. These herds offer protection from predators, with many eyes on the lookout for danger. Listen closely, and you'll hear the zebras communicating with each other through a complex system of barks, snorts, and whinnies. Each sound carries a specific meaning, conveying information about food, danger, or the whereabouts of other zebras. Few sights in the natural world are as awe-inspiring as a herd of elephants moving across the savanna. These magnificent creatures, the largest land animals on Earth, are a symbol of strength, wisdom, and family bonds. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex social structures and remarkable memories. Their trunks, a marvel of evolution, are incredibly versatile tools, used for everything from breathing and smelling to drinking, trumpeting, and grasping objects. Elephants are herbivores, spending up to 16 hours a day feeding on grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. Their enormous appetites play a crucial role in shaping the Serengeti's landscape, clearing vegetation and creating pathways for other animals. As we watch these gentle giants go about their daily lives, we are reminded of the delicate balance of nature. As darkness descends upon the Serengeti, a new cast of characters emerges. Among them are the lions, the apex predators of this realm, their roars echoing through the night. Lions are the only cats that live in social groups called prides, typically consisting of several related females, their cubs, and one or two adult males. The females are the primary hunters, working together to bring down prey much larger than themselves. The males, with their distinctive manes, are primarily responsible for defending the pride's territory from rivals. Lion cubs, born blind and helpless, are totally dependent on their mothers for the first few months of life. As the first rays of dawn break, we witness the lions returning from a night of hunting, their faces smeared with blood. As our journey through the Serengeti draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and respect for this incredible ecosystem and the remarkable creatures that inhabit it. From the towering giraffes to the striped zebras, the mighty elephants to the regal lions. The Serengeti is a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. By understanding and appreciating the delicate balance of nature, we can all play a role in protecting this precious wilderness for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world. Across the golden savannas of Africa, a silhouette dances against the setting sun. It's a silhouette as familiar as the lion's roar or the elephant's rumble, yet infinitely more graceful. It is, of course, the giraffe, the tallest mammal on Earth. Their height is what we first notice, a towering testament to the wonders of evolution, but there's so much more to these gentle giants than just their extraordinary stature. They browse high in the trees, their long necks reaching leaves inaccessible to other herbivores. They roam vast territories, their patterned coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight filtering through the acacia trees. Their world is a symphony of sights and sounds, a delicate balance of life and survival. Join me then on a journey into the fascinating world of giraffes. From the rolling grasslands of Tanzania to the arid woodlands of Namibia, giraffes have adapted to a surprising variety of environments. Each habitat presents its own unique challenges, shaping their behavior and social structures. In the savannas, where food is plentiful but predators lurk, giraffes form loose, ever-changing herds. These herds offer safety in numbers, with many eyes watching for danger. In denser woodlands, giraffes navigate a more solitary existence, their long legs and necks giving them access to foliage out of reach of other browsers. They move with an almost balletic grace, their hooves treading softly on the forest floor. Whether they roam the open savanna or seek refuge in the cool shade of the woodlands, giraffes are intricately connected to their environment. Their lives are a testament to the power of adaptation, a delicate dance between survival and the pursuit of life's simple pleasures. The African savanna, a vast expanse of grasslands dotted with acacia trees, is perhaps the quintessential giraffe habitat. Here, under the watchful gaze of the African sun, these gentle giants roam freely, their towering forms casting long shadows across the golden plains. Their long legs, like stilts beneath a grand design, carry them effortlessly across the savanna. They move with a leisurely grace, their heads held high, scanning the horizon for signs of danger. During the rainy season, the grasslands erupt in a vibrant tapestry of life, providing ample sustenance for the giraffe's voracious appetite. But when the dry season descends, the savanna transforms into a parched and unforgiving landscape. Despite their size, giraffes are remarkably well camouflaged in their savanna home, their distinctive patterned coats blending seamlessly with the dappled light filtering through the acacia trees. This natural camouflage helps them to avoid predators such as lions and leopards who rely on stealth and surprise to catch their prey. Venture deeper into the African landscape beyond the open savannas and you'll encounter a different kind of giraffe habitat, the woodlands. Here, amongst the towering baobab trees and dense undergrowth, giraffes have adapted to a life of navigating a more enclosed and shaded environment. Giraffes move through the woodlands with an almost balletic grace, their hooves treading carefully over the uneven terrain. Their long necks, like periscopes in a leafy sea, allow them to browse on the foliage of tall trees, reaching leaves that would otherwise remain untouched. In the woodlands, giraffes often adopt a more solitary lifestyle, the dense vegetation making it difficult for large herds to stay together. Instead, giraffes in the woodlands often establish territories, communicating with each other through a series of low-frequency calls that travel through the dense undergrowth. The savannas and woodlands, while perhaps the most iconic of giraffe habitats, represent just a fraction of the environments these remarkable creatures call home. Across their range in sub-Saharan Africa, giraffes have demonstrated an impressive ability to adapt to a mosaic of habitats, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. In the arid regions of southern Africa, giraffes have adapted to survive in environments where water is scarce and vegetation is sparse. They have developed the ability to go for extended periods without drinking, obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. In the more lush grasslands of East Africa, giraffes thrive in environments where food is plentiful and water is readily available, forming large herds, sometimes numbering in the dozens. Their long necks, reaching high into the acacia trees, create a mesmerizing spectacle as they sway in unison, their patterned coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. The giraffe's most striking feature, of course, is its extraordinary neck. Reaching up to 6 feet in length, it's a marvel of evolution, allowing them to graze high above their competitors. But the giraffe's neck isn't just long. It's a complex structure of bone, muscle, and specialized blood vessels. Interestingly, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. However, each giraffe vertebra is greatly elongated, some measuring over a foot in length. This unique skeletal structure allows for remarkable flexibility, enabling giraffes to contort their necks into seemingly impossible positions. Pumping blood up to that lofty head requires a heart twice the size of a human's and blood pressure twice as high. To prevent fainting when bending down to drink, giraffes have a network of valves in their neck that regulate blood flow. It's a testament to the ingenuity of evolution, showcasing the incredible adaptations life can develop to thrive in challenging environments. A giraffe's heart is a powerful organ, weighing up to 25 pounds and beating 170 times per minute. This mighty pump circulates blood through an intricate network of arteries and veins, ensuring that oxygen reaches every part of the giraffe's massive body. When a giraffe bends down to drink, the rush of blood to its head could be fatal if not for a special adaptation, a network of valves and elastic blood vessels in the neck. These valves constrict as the giraffe lowers its head, regulating blood flow and preventing a sudden surge of pressure. This interplay of a powerful heart and specialized blood vessels allows giraffes to thrive in their unique ecological niche. Their circulatory system is a testament to the incredible adaptations that evolution can produce, showcasing the delicate balance between form and function in the animal kingdom. Not all giraffes are created equal. In fact, there are several distinct species and subspecies of giraffes, each with its own unique characteristics and geographic range. These distinctions are most apparent in their coat patterns. Some giraffes sport bold rectangular markings, while others have more jagged star-shaped patterns. The color and shape of these patterns can vary depending on the giraffe's geographical location and subspecies, like human fingerprints. No two giraffes have the exact same pattern, aiding in individual identification. The patterns also provide excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the African savanna and woodlands, making it harder for predators to single out individuals within a herd. Giraffes are known to migrate long distances in search of food and water, their movements dictated by the changing seasons. As they move across the landscape, their distinctive patterns create a mesmerizing spectacle, like a tapestry woven from sunlight and shadow. Giraffes may appear solitary at times, their long legs carrying them across vast distances, but they are in fact social creatures. They form loose-knit herds, often composed of females and their young, led by a dominant female. These herds are not fixed entities. Their composition shifts and changes as individuals wander in and out, joining and leaving different groups as they roam the savanna. Within these fluid societies, a subtle hierarchy exists. Older, more experienced females often hold sway, guiding the movements of the herd and mediating disputes. Younger females learn from their elders, observing and mimicking their behaviors. Communication within a giraffe herd is a symphony of subtle gestures and vocalizations. They also communicate through a series of low-frequency rumbles and grunts, sounds that can travel for surprising distances across the savanna. When it comes to courtship, male giraffes engage in elaborate displays of dominance and prowess. These contests, known as necking, are a sight to behold. Two males, their necks entwined like wrestlers locked in a primeval embrace, push and shove, their heads colliding with surprising force. Necking matches are not merely displays of brute strength, they are also tests of agility and endurance. Males will often spar for hours, their necks becoming slick with sweat, their breathing labored. The victor, often the larger and more experienced male, earns the right to mate with receptive females. Once a male has successfully courted a female, their union is brief but tender. After a gestation period of around 15 months, the female gives birth to a single calf, standing tall and vulnerable on wobbly legs. The mother's love for her calf is fierce and protective, defending her young from predators with her life. In the grand tapestry of the African ecosystem, giraffes play a vital role. Their browsing habits help to shape the structure of the savanna and woodlands, influencing the distribution of plant life. Their dung provides nutrients for the soil, supporting a web of life that extends from the smallest insects to the largest herbivores. Even in death, They contribute to the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their towering forms provide a platform for birds such as oxpeckers to perch upon, offering a vantage point from which to search for insects. These birds also provide a valuable service to giraffes, removing ticks and other parasites from their thick hides. But giraffes are also prey, their massive size not always a deterrent to determined predators. The circle of life, though often brutal, is essential for maintaining the health and balance of the African ecosystem. Look into the eyes of a giraffe, and you'll see a depth of intelligence and curiosity. Their eyes, large and dark, are set high on their heads, giving them an almost panoramic view of their surroundings. Long, thick eyelashes, like those of a camel, protect their eyes from the harsh African sun and wind-blown dust. Their sense of sight is exceptional, allowing them to spot predators from great distances across the savanna. They can even see in color, a useful adaptation for distinguishing between different types of vegetation. Their peripheral vision is also remarkable, enabling them to detect movement from almost any angle. But their most endearing feature has to be their velvety muzzle, soft to the touch, surprisingly so for such a large creature. Watch as they delicately strip a branch bare, their long tongues, almost black in color, reaching out to grasp the tenderest shoots. The skin of a giraffe is a work of art, a tapestry of intricate patterns unique to each individual. These patterns, a patchwork of irregular shapes and contrasting colors, serve not only as camouflage but also as a means of thermoregulation. Beneath those striking patterns lies a complex network of blood vessels that help to regulate body temperature. On a hot day, giraffes can direct blood flow to the surface of their skin, allowing heat to dissipate into the surrounding air. Conversely, on cooler days, they can constrict blood vessels near the surface of their skin, conserving body heat. Touch a giraffe's skin, and you'll be surprised by its texture. It's thicker and tougher than you might expect, almost like leather. This tough hide protects them from thorns and branches as they browse amongst the trees, and it also provides a degree of protection from predators. Both male and female giraffes possess horns, but these are not horns in the traditional sense. Unlike antelope or cattle horns, giraffe horns are ossified cartilage, more like bony bumps on our skulls. Covered in skin and fur, they have a velvety appearance. Males use their horns in sparring contests, echoing across the savanna. The horns serve as points of contact, gauging strength and leverage. As males age, their horns become more pronounced, often rubbed bare. These horns add to the giraffe's unique charm, a reminder of the power and majesty of these extraordinary creatures. Giraffes are a testament to evolution, perfectly adapted to their African home. As we conclude our journey into the world of giraffes, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and admiration. These gentle giants, with their towering stature and serene demeanor, embody the very essence of Africa's wild beauty. They are a testament to the power of adaptation, their every feature honed by millennia of evolution, to thrive in a land of both abundance and adversity. From their long necks, reaching for the heavens, to their intricate coat patterns, blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight, giraffes captivate our imagination and stir our souls. They remind us that the natural world is full of surprises, that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. To witness a giraffe in its natural habitat is to experience a profound connection to the wild heart of Africa. It is to witness a creature perfectly at ease in its surroundings, a creature that has learned to navigate the challenges of its environment with grace and resilience. Giraffes are iconic symbols of the African savanna. They play a vital role in maintaining their ecosystem. Their browsing shapes vegetation, creating habitats for diverse life. Their presence affects the entire ecosystem. Where giraffes thrive, so do countless species. They remind us of life's interconnectedness. Protecting giraffes means protecting our future. Let us strive to be better stewards of this planet, inspired by the sight of a giraffe against the African sunset. Across the vast savannas of Africa, a symphony in black and white unfolds. Zebras, with their striking patterns and untamed spirit, captivate our imagination. Their bold stripes are as unique as fingerprints. No two patterns are exactly alike. Join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of these enigmatic creatures. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate lives of zebras, striped wonders of the African plains. Imagine a sea of golden grass rippling in the wind, stretching as far as the eye can see. The zebras, with their bold black and white stripes, stand out against this canvas like brushstrokes of pure artistry. These stripes are not merely decorative, they serve a crucial purpose in the zebra's life. They confuse predators, making it difficult to single out individuals, especially in the dappled light of their surroundings. Beyond their striking appearance lies a world of intricate social structures, fascinating behaviors, and remarkable survival strategies. Picture a vast expanse of golden grassland stretching towards the horizon under a cerulean sky. This is the savanna, the heartland of the zebra's existence. The savanna is a land of dramatic contrasts, where scorching sun gives way to torrential downpours and lush greenery alternates with dry, dusty plains. Zebras are built for endurance, capable of covering vast distances in search of food and water. They are grazers, their diet consisting mainly of grasses, which they crop close to the ground with their strong teeth. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, the heat becomes intense. Zebras seek shade under the scattered acacia trees, their black and white stripes helping to regulate their body temperature. Dawn breaks over the savanna, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. As the first rays of sunlight touch the earth, zebras stir from their slumber. With a chorus of snorts and whinnies, the herd sets off in search of fresh grazing grounds. They move with a grace and agility that belies their size, their hooves drumming a steady rhythm against the parched earth. Throughout the day, zebras graze for hours on end, their powerful jaws working tirelessly to grind down the tough grasses. As the heat of the day intensifies, the zebras seek respite near waterholes. Here they mingle with other animals, wildebeest, gazelles, and even elephants, all drawn to this vital resource. Life on the savanna is a delicate balance between predator and prey. Zebras, despite their size and strength, are constantly on alert for danger. Lions, leopards, cheetahs, and wild dogs all pose a threat, their keen senses honed for the hunt. When a zebra runs, its stripes create a dazzling optical illusion, making it difficult for a predator to judge its speed and direction. Zebras are not defenseless. Their powerful legs can deliver a bone-crushing kick, and their sharp teeth are capable of inflicting serious wounds. Survival on the savanna is a constant challenge, a test of endurance, agility, and social cohesion. While often associated with vast savannas, zebras are remarkably adaptable creatures. From rolling grasslands to the dappled shade of woodlands, zebras showcase their resilience in a variety of habitats. In the grasslands, where the terrain is less arid, zebras thrive on the abundance of nutritious grasses. Venturing further, we find zebras inhabiting the edges of woodlands. Here, the trees offer not only shade, but also a degree of protection from predators. The diversity of habitats occupied by zebras is a testament to their adaptability. The stripes of a zebra, a marvel of natural camouflage, play a crucial role in their adaptation to different environments. On the open savanna, the stripes create a dazzling optical illusion, confusing predators and hindering their ability to single out individuals. In grasslands with scattered trees, the stripes help zebras blend into the dappled light filtering through the leaves. The adaptability of zebra stripes is a testament to the power of natural selection. Over generations, zebras with stripe patterns that best suited their environment were more likely to survive and reproduce. At the edge of the woodlands, where the sun-drenched grasslands meet the cool embrace of the forest, zebras find a delicate balance between sustenance and safety. Here they graze on a diverse array of grasses and herbs, their diet supplemented by the occasional browse on leaves and twigs. The woodlands offer a welcome respite from the heat of the day, their dense foliage providing shade and a degree of protection from predators. Zebras gather at water holes, their thirst a shared experience that transcends any social hierarchy. The forest's edge is a place of constant vigilance, with predators lurking in the shadows. Stepping closer to these striped equines, we encounter a world of captivating details often overlooked from afar. The zebra's face, a canvas of black and white, holds a surprising array of expressions and intricate features that tell a story of their life on the African plains. Each stripe, a brushstroke of nature's artistry, extends across the zebra's face, creating a unique pattern as individual as a fingerprint. Their ears, mobile and expressive, twitch and swivel, picking up the faintest sounds. The zebra's muzzle, a tapestry of black and white, is framed by soft, velvety lips, expertly designed for grazing. Though often masked by their bold stripes, zebra faces are surprisingly expressive, conveying a range of emotions easily understood by those who take the time to observe. Their ears, like semaphore flags, signal their mood. When danger threatens, their ears flatten against their heads, a clear warning signal to the rest of the herd. In calmer moments, their faces soften, reflecting social bonds and the simple pleasures of life on the savanna. Their eyes, often described as holding a spark of wildness, reflect the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. To truly understand the zebra, we must step into their world, experiencing the savanna through their heightened senses. Their sense of smell, far keener than our own, alerts them to the presence of predators long before they become visible. They can also detect the subtle scent of water, a lifeline in the arid savanna, guiding them towards distant waterholes. Their hearing, equally acute, picks up the subtlest sounds, the rustle of leaves, the snapping of a twig, or the distant call of a bird. Their eyesight, though not as sharp as some predators, is well suited to their needs. And of course their stripes, a marvel of natural camouflage, play a crucial role in confusing predators and enhancing their chances of survival. Zebras, with their bold stripes and untamed spirit, hold a special place in our imagination. But beyond their striking appearance lies a world of fascinating facts, intriguing behaviors, and surprising adaptations that reveal the true complexity of these striped equines. Every zebra is born with a unique stripe pattern, as individual as a human fingerprint. Despite their seemingly awkward build, they can cross rivers and even navigate flooded plains with relative ease. Their powerful legs propel them through the water, their stripes creating a mesmerizing ripple effect on the surface. Zebras are incredibly strong swimmers, showcasing their adaptability in various environments. Zebras are highly social animals, living in herds that can number in the hundreds or even thousands. Within these herds, complex social structures and hierarchies exist, governed by a language of snorts, whinnies, and subtle body language. At the heart of zebra society is the family unit, consisting of a stallion, his harem of females, and their young. The bond between a zebra mother and her foal is incredibly strong. From the moment a foal is born, its mother showers it with affection, nuzzling it gently and protectively, standing guard as it takes its first wobbly steps. Within the herd, zebras engage in various social interactions, mutual grooming, playful nips, and gentle nudges that strengthen their bonds and reinforce their social hierarchy. The language of stripes decoding zebra communication. While zebras communicate through a variety of vocalizations, their stripes themselves play a fascinating role in their communication system. These bold patterns, far from being merely decorative, convey subtle messages to other zebras, enhancing social cohesion and even aiding in predator avoidance. When zebras stand close together, their stripes create a dazzling optical illusion, making it difficult for predators to single out individuals. This visual confusion, particularly effective in the dappled light of the savanna, provides a collective defense mechanism for the herd. But stripes also convey individual identity. Each zebra's unique stripe pattern allows other zebras to recognize them, fostering familiarity and strengthening social bonds within the herd. This ability to distinguish individuals is particularly important for foals, who need to stay close to their mothers for protection and nourishment. Furthermore, zebras use subtle changes in their stripe patterns to communicate their emotional state. When alarmed or threatened, their stripes may appear more pronounced, a visual signal to other zebras that danger is near. Conversely, when relaxed and content, their stripes may appear less distinct, reflecting their sense of ease. Life in the fast-lane zebras on the move. The African savanna is a land of constant movement, a vast stage where the drama of life and death unfolds daily. Zebras, with their striking stripes and boundless energy, are key players in this intricate dance of survival. Their lives are a testament to the power of adaptation, their movements a symphony of grace and agility honed over millennia. Their hooves, sturdy and sure-footed, carry them effortlessly across the plains. They are built for speed and endurance, capable of outrunning many of their predators. When threatened, a herd of zebras erupts into a flurry of motion, their stripes merging into a dizzying blur that confounds even the keenest-eyed hunter. Their migrations, often spanning hundreds of miles, are a testament to their resilience and their deep connection to the rhythms of nature. They follow the rains, their instincts guiding them towards fresh pastures and life-giving water sources. These journeys, fraught with danger and uncertainty, are a testament to the zebra's unwavering determination to survive. But their movements are not always dictated by necessity. Zebras are playful creatures, often engaging in bouts of mock fighting and spirited chases. These playful interactions, more common among younger zebras, help them develop essential social skills and strengthen the bonds within the herd. Strength in numbers, the power of the herd. On the vast plains of Africa, there is safety in numbers. Zebras live in herds, their collective strength their best defense against predators. Their shifting stripes present a challenge for hunters. Predators often find themselves outmaneuvered by the chaos of a stampeding herd. Within the herd, communication and cooperation prevail. Watchful eyes and sensitive ears scan for danger. Subtle cues can mean the difference between life and death. The herd provides security and comfort. Young foals find safety in the heart of the herd. Older individuals benefit from the herd's vigilance. The power of the herd lies in its unity. Each zebra plays a vital role in the group's survival. Their stripes symbolize individuality and interconnectedness. Enduring stripes, a legacy of resilience. Our journey through the world of zebras has taken us across the sun-drenched savannas, through the dappled shade of woodlands, and into the heart of their intricate social lives. We've witnessed their remarkable adaptability, their unwavering resilience, and their enduring spirit in the face of nature's challenges. From their iconic stripes, a marvel of natural camouflage and a symbol of their individuality, to their powerful social bonds, forged in a life shared on the open plains, zebras embody the wild beauty and untamed spirit of Africa. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to thrive. We've discovered that there's more to these striped equines than meets the eye. Their faces, a canvas of black and white, reveal a surprising range of expressions, reflecting their intelligence, their social complexity, and their deep connection to their surroundings. Their senses, finely tuned to the rhythms of the savanna, guide them towards sustenance, alert them to danger, and connect them to their herd mates in a language both subtle and profound. Their migrations, spanning hundreds of miles, are a testament to their endurance and their unwavering determination to survive. They follow the rains, their instincts guiding them towards fresh pastures and life-giving water sources, their stripes a flowing river of black and white against the backdrop of the African landscape. Enduring stripes, a legacy of resilience. Our journey through the world of zebras has taken us across the sun-drenched savannas, through the dappled shade of woodlands, and into the heart of their intricate social lives. We've witnessed their remarkable adaptability, their unwavering resilience, and their enduring spirit in the face of nature's challenges. From their iconic stripes, a marvel of natural camouflage, to their powerful social bonds forged in a life shared on the open plains, zebras embody the wild beauty and untamed spirit of Africa. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to thrive. A future painted in black and white. As we conclude our exploration of the zebra's world, we are left with a sense of awe and a renewed appreciation for the delicate balance of life on our planet. Zebras, with their unique beauty and their vital role in the intricate web of life, deserve our admiration and our protection. Yet, the future of these striped equines is not without its challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment threaten their survival, casting a shadow over their future. It is our responsibility as stewards of this planet to ensure that zebras continue to roam free, their stripes a vibrant testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness about the threats facing zebras, and fostering a deeper understanding of these remarkable creatures, we can help secure a future where their stripes continue to grace the savannas and grasslands of Africa for generations to come. The story of the zebra is a story of resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a story that reminds us of the importance of preserving biodiversity, protecting our planet's natural heritage, and ensuring that the symphony of life, in all its vibrant colors and patterns, continues to play on. Across vast plains and dense forests, a presence commands respect and awe: the elephant. These magnificent creatures, the largest land animals on Earth, have roamed our planet for millions of years. Elephants are icons of power and wisdom, their intelligence evident in their deep social bonds and complex communication. From the moment we encounter these gentle giants, we are captivated by their grandeur. Their sheer size is humbling, their wrinkled skin a testament to a life lived fully. But it is their eyes that truly draw us in, wise, ancient, and full of depth. Join us now as we embark on a journey into the majestic world of elephants, exploring their diverse habitats and unraveling the secrets of their fascinating lives. For centuries, elephants have held a place of honor in human cultures worldwide. Revered for their intelligence, they are often depicted as symbols of wisdom, memory, and good fortune. Their strength, too, is legendary, making them formidable forces in the animal kingdom and inspiring awe in those who witness their power firsthand. Today, as we grapple with the challenges of a rapidly changing planet, the lessons we can learn from elephants are more relevant than ever. Elephants are not confined to a single corner of our planet. Their adaptability has allowed them to conquer a wide range of habitats, from the sprawling savannas of Africa to the dense jungles of Asia. In the African savanna, elephants roam freely across vast grasslands, their iconic silhouettes etched against the setting sun. Their powerful legs carry them effortlessly across the plains, their trunk a versatile tool for gathering vegetation and interacting with their surroundings. They are the gardeners of their domains, shaping the landscape and creating habitats for countless other species. Picture the African savanna, a vast expanse of golden grasslands stretching as far as the eye can see, punctuated by acacia trees and shimmering waterholes. This is the backdrop for the daily drama of life on the savanna, and elephants are the undisputed stars of this grand stage. As they move across the landscape, they act as architects of their own environment. Their powerful tusks, used for stripping bark and digging for water, leave their mark on the land, creating microhabitats for other creatures. The savanna's rhythm is dictated by the changing seasons, and elephants have adapted to thrive within this cycle of abundance and scarcity. And when the dry season arrives, they use their knowledge passed down through generations to locate hidden water sources, ensuring the survival of their family groups. A day in the life, following the rhythm of the savanna. As the first rays of dawn break over the savanna, a herd of elephants stirs to life. The matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female, leads the way, her memory a treasure trove of knowledge about the savanna's secrets. She guides her family along ancient elephant paths, trails carved into the landscape over countless journeys, towards waterholes and areas where fresh vegetation flourishes. As the sun climbs higher in the sky and the heat intensifies, the elephants seek refuge in the shade of acacia trees. The midday hours are a time for rest and social interaction, strengthening the bonds that hold their family group together. The language of giants' communication and social bonds. Elephants are highly social animals, their lives intertwined with the complex relationships within their family groups. Communication among elephants is a symphony of rumbles, trumpets, and roars, each sound carrying its own message across the savanna. Low-frequency rumbles, often inaudible to the human ear, can travel for miles, allowing elephants to stay connected over vast distances. When an elephant encounters a friend or family member after a period of separation, their greeting is a joyous reunion filled with rumbling calls, intertwined trunks, and gentle caresses. Young calves, eager to master the nuances of elephant communication, mimic their elders, their playful trumpets a constant source of amusement for the entire herd. Into the emerald realm, elephants of the forest. Leaving the sun-drenched savanna, we journey into the heart of the forest, a realm painted in hues of emerald and jade. Here, beneath a canopy woven from ancient trees, a different kind of elephant kingdom thrives. These are the forest elephants, smaller in stature than their savanna cousins, but no less magnificent. The forest presents a unique set of challenges, demanding adaptability and resilience from its inhabitants. The dense foliage limits visibility, requiring forest elephants to rely on their keen hearing and sense of smell to navigate their surroundings. Yet, despite these challenges, forest elephants have mastered the art of living within the emerald labyrinth. Over millennia, forest elephants have evolved a suite of specialized traits that allow them to thrive in their verdant domain. Their smaller size compared to savanna elephants is a key adaptation, allowing them to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease. Forest elephant tusks are straighter and point downwards, a stark contrast to the upward curving tusks of their savanna counterparts. This unique adaptation is crucial for life in the forest, enabling them to use their tusks as tools for prying open bark, digging for roots, and clearing paths through the tangled undergrowth. They play a vital role in seed dispersal, their dung depositing seeds across the forest floor, contributing to the regeneration of the ecosystem. Forest elephants are not merely inhabitants of this emerald realm, they are its guardians, their presence shaping the very structure and diversity of the forest. Their foraging habits, while seemingly destructive, create clearings in the undergrowth, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and fostering the growth of new vegetation. Their dung, rich in nutrients and seeds, acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. The interconnectedness of life in the forest is profound, and elephants are the keystone species, holding this delicate web together. The forest, once silent to human ears, comes alive with the whispers of giants, a testament to the hidden language of the wild. Leaving the lush embrace of the forest, we journey now to the harshest of environments, the desert. Here, beneath a relentless sun and amidst shifting sands, another remarkable elephant story unfolds. These are the desert elephants, masters of survival in a land where every drop of water is precious and every blade of grass represents a hard-won victory against the odds. Their very existence challenges our perceptions of where life can flourish, revealing the extraordinary adaptability of these magnificent creatures. They are the desert giants, their footsteps whispering tales of endurance, their survival a beacon of hope in a world grappling with the increasing fragility of our natural world. Desert elephants, shaped by millennia of evolution, have developed remarkable adaptations that allow them to not just survive, but thrive in this arid realm. Their larger feet compared to their forest and savanna counterparts distribute their weight more effectively, preventing them from sinking into the soft sand. Their longer legs enable them to cover vast distances in search of water and sparse vegetation, their endurance a testament to their evolutionary journey. Desert elephants possess an uncanny ability to detect water sources hidden beneath the surface, using their sensitive feet and trunks to sense the slightest hint of moisture. They then use their powerful tusks to dig down to the water table, creating watering holes that benefit not only themselves, but also a myriad of other desert creatures. Their dung, surprisingly moist even in this arid environment, plays a vital role in seed dispersal, contributing to the resilience of desert plant life. Desert elephants are not merely inhabitants of this arid realm, they are its architects, shaping the landscape and influencing the distribution of life in profound ways. Their ability to locate and access water sources transforms them into walking water towers, their presence creating oases in the desert that sustain a myriad of other creatures. Birds flock to the water holes dug by elephants, their cheerful songs breaking the desert silence. Antelope, zebra, and other herbivores gather to quench their thirst, their survival inextricably linked to the presence of these gentle giants. Their foraging habits, while seemingly destructive, can actually promote biodiversity, creating clearings that allow sunlight to reach the desert floor and fostering the growth of new vegetation. Up close, the elephant's immensity is awe-inspiring. Their skin, a tapestry of wrinkles and creases, speaks of a life lived fully, of countless encounters with the sun, the rain, and the embrace of their herd. The texture, rough to the touch, belies a surprising sensitivity, a network of nerve endings that allows them to sense the slightest changes in their environment. Their massive heads, adorned with those iconic tusks, house a brain that is larger than that of any other land animal. This intelligence is reflected in their complex social interactions, their problem-solving abilities, and their remarkable memory. Their eyes, often described as wise and ancient, hold a depth of understanding that transcends the boundaries of language. Perhaps the most remarkable feature of the elephant is its trunk, a marvel of natural engineering. This fusion of nose and upper lip is a versatile tool, capable of performing an astonishing array of tasks. It is a sensory organ, a prehensile limb, a trumpet, a snorkel, and a powerful weapon, all rolled into one extraordinary appendage. The trunk is powered by a complex network of muscles, more than 40,000 in total, that gives it incredible strength and dexterity. It can uproot trees, delicately pluck a single blade of grass, or gently caress a newborn calf. At the tip of the trunk are two finger-like projections, sensitive enough to pick up a single coin from the ground, yet strong enough to lift objects weighing hundreds of pounds. The trunk is also a vital sensory organ, equipped with a keen sense of smell that allows elephants to detect water sources from miles away. They use their trunks to spray themselves with water or dust, to communicate with each other through a symphony of rumbles and trumpets, and to explore their surroundings with an insatiable curiosity. The trunk is the embodiment of the elephant's adaptability, a symbol of their evolutionary success and their unique place in the animal kingdom. Maintaining such colossal size requires a Herculean diet. An adult elephant can consume a staggering 300 pounds of food in a single day, a testament to their role as architects of their environment. Their days are a continuous cycle of grazing and browsing, their powerful molars grinding down tough vegetation with the efficiency of industrial machinery. Picture an elephant using its trunk like a skilled gardener, carefully selecting the most succulent leaves and fruits from the branches of trees. The trunk, with its incredible dexterity, can differentiate between a variety of plants, ensuring the elephant receives a balanced diet. They may even use their tusks to strip bark from trees, exposing the nutritious inner layers. Their digestive system, while efficient, is not designed to extract all the nutrients from their food. As a result, elephant dung plays a critical role in seed dispersal, depositing partially digested seeds across the landscape, fertilizing the soil and contributing to the growth of new plant life. In this way, elephants act as keystone species, their feeding habits directly impacting the health and diversity of their ecosystems. Beyond their imposing size and impressive adaptations, elephants exhibit a range of fascinating behaviors that offer a glimpse into their complex intelligence and social dynamics. For instance, elephants have a surprising affinity for water, frequently taking dips in rivers and lakes using their trunks as snorkels to breathe while submerged. These bathing rituals are not just about staying cool, they are also opportunities for social interaction and play. Elephants of all ages engage in water games, spraying each other with their trunks, rolling in the mud, and chasing one another through the water. These light-hearted moments strengthen social bonds and provide a welcome respite from the challenges of survival. Furthermore, elephants possess remarkable memories capable of remembering individuals and locations over vast distances and extended periods. This exceptional recall is essential for their survival, allowing them to navigate long migration routes to reach seasonal food and water sources, relying on knowledge passed down through generations. Their ability to remember past encounters, both positive and negative, shapes their behavior and influences their interactions with other elephants and their environment. As we conclude our journey into the majestic world of elephants, we are left with a profound sense of awe and a renewed appreciation for these extraordinary creatures. From the sun-drenched savannas of Africa to the dense jungles of Asia and the arid landscapes of the desert, elephants adapt and thrive in diverse environments. Their presence enriches ecosystems, shaping landscapes and influencing species distribution. But their future hangs in the balance. Habitat loss, conflict, and the ivory trade threaten them. Our actions have far-reaching consequences. We must protect these magnificent creatures and their fragile ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness, and making conscious choices, we can ensure elephants roam free for generations. They are the guardians of a fragile balance, a symbol of the wild spirit we must preserve. The sun beats down on the African savanna. Join me as we journey into the world of lions to understand their lives, their challenges, and their undeniable importance to the delicate balance of nature. The African savanna is the quintessential lion habitat. It's here that we see them in all their glory, hunting, playing, and raising their young against the backdrop of a timeless landscape. The story of the lion is a story of survival, of adaptation, and of the delicate balance that holds the natural world together. The African savanna, a vast expanse painted in hues of gold and green, stands as a testament to the power of nature's artistry. And it is here, amidst the rustling grasses and the echoing calls of wildlife, that the lion reigns supreme, its presence etched into the very fabric of this extraordinary landscape. From the sun-baked plains of the Kalahari Desert to the rugged slopes of Ethiopian mountains, lions have demonstrated an uncanny ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. These examples highlight the remarkable adaptability of lions, their ability to thrive not just in the iconic landscapes we often associate them with, but also in the face of environmental challenges that would test the limits of many other species. Their story is one of resilience, a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring spirit of these magnificent creatures. While lions are creatures of the open savanna and arid landscapes, there are instances where these majestic predators have ventured into the heart of one of nature's most enigmatic ecosystems, the forest. The presence of lions in forests, though unusual, highlights their adaptability and opportunistic nature. These forest-dwelling lions, a testament to the diversity of life on our planet, offer a glimpse into the remarkable resilience of a species that has captured our imagination for centuries. The Face of a Lion, a study in power and majesty, is a masterpiece of nature's design. Every feature, from the piercing gaze to the formidable jaw, speaks volumes about the lion's position at the apex of the food chain. It is a face that tells a story of survival, of dominance, and of the enduring spirit of one of the world's most iconic predators. The eyes of a lion, often described as the windows to its soul, are a captivating blend of intensity and expressiveness. These are not merely the eyes of a predator, but of a being finely tuned to the rhythms of the savanna, reflecting both its power and its vulnerability. In their gaze, we can see glimpses of their complex social interactions, their fierce protectiveness of their young, and their deep connection to the land they call home. Perhaps the most iconic feature of a lion, the one that sets it apart from all other felines and has earned it the title King of the Jungle, is its mane. Beyond its protective qualities, the mane also plays a significant role in a lion's social standing. The mane is also a visual indicator of a lion's age and experience. The face of a lion is not just a tapestry of individual features, it is an intricate map etched with the stories of a life lived in the wild. Every scar, every wrinkle, every subtle change in expression whispers tales of survival, of battles fought, and of the wisdom gained through years of experience. It is in these subtle details that we truly see the essence of these magnificent creatures. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the savanna, a palpable tension fills the air. Unlike the cheetah, which relies on raw speed, the lion's hunting strategy is a masterpiece of stealth and coordinated effort. They are a blur of tawny muscle and razor-sharp claws, their roars echoing across the savanna, a terrifying crescendo to this age-old drama. Within the pride, a complex social structure dictates the roles and responsibilities of each individual. At the helm of this intricate hierarchy stands the alpha male, the embodiment of strength and dominance. The cycle of dominance, a timeless dance between ambition and mortality, ensures the continued strength and vitality of the pride. While the life of a lion may seem idyllic to some, filled with long naps in the shade and the thrill of the hunt, it is, in reality, a delicate balancing act between energy conservation and the constant need to secure resources. Their days are governed by a rhythm as old as time itself, a cycle of feasting and famine, of rest and relentless activity. Dawn and dusk, those magical hours when the savanna is bathed in a soft ethereal light, are the prime hunting times for lions. The cooler temperatures and the reduced visibility provide them with a tactical advantage, allowing them to stalk their prey with greater stealth. Successful hunts, however, are not guaranteed. Lions often go days without a substantial meal, their bodies adapted to withstand these periods of scarcity. When they do make a kill, it is a time for celebration, a chance to replenish their energy reserves and indulge in the spoils of their efforts. The remainder of the day is typically spent resting and digesting, their bodies conserving energy for the next hunt. These periods of inactivity, however, are not without their own social dynamics. Lions are incredibly social animals, and these moments of respite are essential for strengthening bonds within the pride, reaffirming hierarchies, and caring for their young. The strength of a lion pride lies in the intricate web of relationships that bind them together. These bonds, forged through shared experiences and mutual dependence, are essential for survival. At the heart of this structure are the females, the primary hunters and nurturers. They raise the cubs collectively, sharing responsibilities of nursing and protecting. The bond between a lioness and her cubs is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. Cubs learn from their elders, preparing to take their place in the pride. The survival of the pride depends on passing knowledge from one generation to the next. The very air seems to tremble with the sound of a lion's roar, a sound that has echoed across the African plains for millennia. It's a voice that speaks of untamed wilderness, of a power and majesty that has captivated humanity for centuries. Yet today, this iconic roar is increasingly silenced, a chilling reminder of the precarious state of these magnificent creatures. Across their range, lions are facing a multitude of threats, each one pushing them closer to the brink. Habitat loss, driven by human expansion and the relentless march of agriculture, has fragmented their once vast territories, confining them to ever-shrinking pockets of wilderness. This fragmentation not only limits their access to prey, but also increases competition for resources, leading to conflict and further decline. Poaching, fueled by the insatiable demand for lion parts in some parts of the world, poses another grave threat. Driven by greed and ignorance, poachers target lions for their bones, teeth and skins, decimating populations and disrupting social structures. The methods employed are often cruel and indiscriminate, leaving behind a trail of carnage that reverberates throughout the ecosystem. Human-wildlife conflict, an inevitable consequence of our encroachment into their territory, adds another layer of complexity to the challenge of lion conservation. As human populations grow and expand into lion habitat, encounters become more frequent, leading to livestock depredation and, tragically, retaliatory killings of lions. In the face of these daunting challenges, a dedicated and passionate community of conservationists, researchers and local communities are working tirelessly to safeguard the future of lions. Driven by a shared belief in the intrinsic value of these creatures and the vital role they play in maintaining healthy ecosystems, they are fighting to turn the tide of extinction. Anti-poaching efforts, often conducted in collaboration with local communities and law enforcement agencies, are at the forefront of this battle. Rangers, risking their lives daily, patrol vast areas of wilderness, removing snares, apprehending poachers, and disrupting trafficking networks. Their dedication and bravery are crucial in stemming the flow of illegal wildlife products and protecting vulnerable lion populations. Habitat restoration and protection are equally critical in ensuring the long-term survival of lions. By establishing protected areas, restoring degraded habitats, and promoting sustainable land use practices, conservationists are working to create safe havens where lions can thrive. These efforts also benefit countless other species that share the lion's ecosystem, contributing to the overall health and resilience of these vital landscapes. Community engagement and education are also essential components of successful lion conservation. By working closely with local communities, understanding their needs and perspectives, conservationists can foster a sense of shared ownership and responsibility for lion conservation. Education programs designed to raise awareness about the importance of lions and the threats they face are crucial in changing attitudes and inspiring future generations of conservation stewards. The challenges facing lion conservation are undeniably complex and multifaceted, but they are not insurmountable. Across Africa, stories of hope and resilience are emerging, demonstrating that with dedication, collaboration, and unwavering commitment, a brighter future for lions is within our grasp. In some areas, anti-poaching efforts are yielding positive results, with lion populations stabilizing and even showing signs of recovery. The establishment of community conservancies, where local communities are empowered to manage their own wildlife resources, is proving to be a particularly effective model, demonstrating that conservation can go hand in hand with economic development and cultural preservation. Technological advancements are also playing an increasingly important role in lion conservation. From sophisticated tracking devices that allow researchers to monitor lion movements and behavior with unprecedented detail to DNA analysis techniques that are helping to combat wildlife crime, technology is providing conservationists with powerful tools to protect these iconic creatures. The fight to save lions is not just about preserving a species. It is about safeguarding our planet's biodiversity, maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems, and honoring our responsibility to future generations. It is about recognizing that our own well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet and the creatures with whom we share it. The future of lions, like the future of all species on our planet, hangs in the balance. Their fate rests in our hands, a sobering reminder of the immense power we wield and the profound responsibility that comes with it. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the capacity to change course, to choose a path that leads to coexistence rather than extinction. Imagine a world where the sound of a lion's roar is once again a common occurrence, a testament to the wild spirit of our planet and our commitment to protecting it. Imagine a world where future generations have the opportunity to witness the awe-inspiring sight of a pride of lions roaming free, their majestic presence a symbol of hope and resilience. Creating this future requires a collective effort, a commitment from individuals, communities, governments, and organizations around the world. It requires us to recognize that the choices we make each day, from the products we consume to the policies we support, have far-reaching consequences for the natural world. Let us choose wisely. Let us choose to be the generation that turns the tide, that silences the guns of poachers, that heals the wounds we have inflicted upon our planet. Let us choose to be the generation that ensures the lion's roar continues to echo across the savanna, a timeless symbol of wilderness and a beacon of hope for generations to come. As the sun sets on the African savanna, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, a lioness and her cubs emerge from the tall grasses. They are silhouetted against the fading light, their forms at once powerful and vulnerable. The lioness pauses, her gaze sweeping across her domain, and for a moment time seems to stand still. It is a scene of timeless beauty, a testament to the enduring power of the wild. Throughout our journey into the world of lions, we have been privy to their majesty and their struggles, their intricate social bonds and their remarkable adaptations. We have witnessed their power as apex predators, their grace in motion, and the delicate balance they maintain within their ecosystem. But most importantly, we have been reminded of our own connection to the natural world and the profound responsibility we have to protect it. The lion's roar, once a symbol of untamed wilderness, is now a plea for our attention, a call to action that we can no longer afford to ignore. The challenges they face, habitat loss, poaching, human-wildlife conflict, are complex and daunting, but they are not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the collective will to make a difference. The fate of these magnificent creatures rests in our hands. Let us choose to be the generation that hears their call, that rises to the challenge, and that ensures that the lion's roar continues to echo across the savanna for generations to come. The legacy of lions extends far beyond their physical presence on our planet. They are woven into human history and culture, symbols of power, courage, and majesty. From ancient Egypt to modern times, lions have inspired us, appearing on flags, coats of arms, and art. Their stories teach us about nature's balance, community, and adaptation. We are intertwined with the natural world, sharing our fate with these creatures. Saving lions preserves our heritage and recognizes life's interconnectedness. Let us carry forward the lessons from those majestic creatures, embrace courage, strength, and wisdom to live in harmony with nature. Honor the legacy of lions and create a brighter future for all. The time for action is now. The future of lions and our planet depends on it. Ensure the roar of the king continues to inspire awe and wonder.